Hello my friends, today I wanted to compare cages for DJI Action 4. Here's the DJI Action 4, and of course you saw it before. But here's the two cages, and one thing that this cage is a standard cage, came with the camera, and another one is PGYTECH, which is not came with the camera. So I purchased that separately, and the main reason why I bought this one because of this 1/4 inch screw mount on the side. But again, at this point I don't really use that cage because instead of that I'm using a standard plastic cage. Well, the key point is the weight, and with this cage and plus the camera, it's significantly more heavier. I carry this camera every day in my pocket, and it does really feel the weight of this cage. Yeah, it has multiple advantages. It's easy to install the camera and take it out, and this knob, this door, it has like a side door on the other side. But if I would change batteries so frequently, that would be a big deal for me. Or if I would upload all of the data through taking the memory card out, that would be a big deal, yes. But since I don't usually like change the battery, I don't even have the second battery for this camera, and I copy my data, just plug it in through USB here, and the same way it's charging the battery. So for me there's no need to have that door, and the standard cage does a good job of hold on. The standard cage does a good job of protecting the camera and not adding a lot of weight into that. So, and what about the side mount? Yes, the thing is, I just bought a bunch of the magnetic claw DJI mounts. Well, they're not DJI, they're third party. But the thing is that the standard cage, it has the mount on the side, so I just, since I got a bunch of the mounts, I just attach them to whatever tripods I need, and I just use them. So you can use it from down or from the side, same here too. But I don't like really need the 1/4 inch mount. If I would, well, I just got that adapter for 1/4 inch plus the magnetic mount. But yeah, so technically, again, I just got it for a really good price. It was 18 bucks used, which wasn't really used, plus a couple bucks shipping. So I don't regret having it, but lately I don't really use it, so that's just food for thought. Just think twice if you really need it, because if you are going to get a bunch of the magnetic mounts, then maybe just don't get a metal cage. Okay, thank you.